Do you want to know?
Hi lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the two ingredients that I use and I have been using to grow my hair healthy and strong. Welcome if you are new. My name's Joy. The main two ingredients that I'm going to be using here are aloe vera plants and onion juice. And I'll also be using some oils. I'm going to show you that as we go on in this video. So guys, if you want to see how I am able to do this, keep watching. First of all, what you have to do is to get the gel from the aloe vera, okay? You show up first, you're staring at me. Aloe vera has lots of benefits when it comes to growing hair healthy and strong. And this helps activate new growth by increasing the blood circulation to the scalp and delivery several important vitamins and minerals and nutrients. Yes, so this is few of what aloe vera can do to your hair. What you have to do is just to get the gel from the aloe vera plant, and that's what I am doing. Like I can do something for you. You lick your lips, you think you're slick. You stalk like I'm a piece of me. So after getting the gel, I will also go in and making sure that I split it, that's cutting it into pieces so that it will be easy to blend. Yeah, so the next ingredient that I'm going to be using here is onion. You can use red onion or the one I am using right now, okay? Onions are good for a lot of things besides adding flavor to food. Onion prevents hair loss and promotes hair growth. The sulfur from onion may also help promote collagen production. Collagen in turn help the production of healthy skin, cell, and hair growth. So flashy, don't do jack for me. After cutting the two ingredients, you have to blend them to get the juice from the onion and gel from the aloe vera plant. So that's exactly what I am doing right now. So after blending the two together, I am going to strain it like so, okay, so that I won't have those residues in my hair, and that can be terribly disturbing when it gets to the hair. So to prevent that, this is what I am doing, and this is my hose, okay? You can use what works for you. Right. For those who don't know the awesomeness in almond oil hydrates dull hair and also moisturizes dry hair. Almond oil fights inflammatory scalp condition, and it is also antibacterial, making it a great scalp treatment for those suffering from dandruff. And this also promotes hair growth. Applying it directly to the scalp, oh my god, it bulks up hair and reactivates dormant hair follicles. So this oil is amazing. So in my mixture, I added 2 full spoons of almond oil. So the other oil that I use is castor oil, okay? I just rub that on my palm before touching my hair. I went in with my spray bottle. Inside the spray bottle, I have water and few drops of almond oil. Yes, that's to prepare my hair for the maintain, to keep it a little bit moisturized, okay? You have to do this to save your hair, guys. You know, my hair is dry, so I won't want my finger to be, pulling my hair. So rubbing oils on your hair before doing the maintain helps to keep your hair away from breaking. As you can see, I'm going to be parting my hair. I'm getting ready to add the ingredients to my hair. And oh my god, see my grays. Out of control. I wish I could just hit delete. Why you gotta rule? Here is it. This is the aloe vera gel and onion juice. So guys, let's get into the main video. This is applying it to my hair. Okay, yeah, I am doing my best to make sure that I rub it in through all the strands, and I'm going to be doing the same thing to all the sections. And you really have to be generous with the ingredients. Yes, you make sure that you do enough so that you will not run out of it on the way before you finish the whole hair. So you just have to have in mind that you have like excess. It's better to have excess than not to have enough. You understand what I mean? So while I am rubbing in that, I am also detangling my hair and basically concentrating on the ends of my hair. When I finish doing this hair, you will see how renewed, how revived, how fresh, how beautiful my ends will look. Okay, and these two ingredients, they are amazing. If you have not tried this, just try it, okay? And get back to me at the comment section. Yes, it's all natural, and natural remedies are just amazing. After doing each section, I twist it, okay, and put it aside. Yeah, just to keep the hair in place. Smooth, but you got no cool. So simple, you just gotta move. Why? After that, we'll cover my hair with a nylon bag, and I'm going to leave it there for like 30 minutes. Then I'll be back to wash the hair. So I'm going to be using my normal shampoo and conditioner to wash my hair. You don't need any special conditioner or shampoo in this, okay? Just use your normal shampoo and conditioner. That's all. Okay, lovely. So that'll be all from me today. I hope this video helped you. If you enjoyed this video, share with your family and friends so that they can learn one or two things from this video. And I will see you in my next one. Bye. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like the channel, go ahead and subscribe, okay? And turn on the bell for notifications so that anytime I upload new video, you will be notified. I will see you in my next one. As always, thanks for watching.